Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my Ipsy icon box for February 2024. And this month's box is curated by GWEN Stefani. So we do have some of her makeup products in the box, which is cool. And this is the icon box, which I believe is every 3 months, so it costs more. It was over $60 for this box. And the first product they chose for me, including shade, is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. And they chose for me the shade 2 Neutral, which I wish I could have chose. I would have chose a more cool shade, but this retails for $49. It claims to have medium coverage, look like skin. It has skincare ingredients like hyaluronic acid, rose complex to brighten and smooth, and Bic Active, I think it's reduce shine and blur pores. So I am wearing it right now. I did have to build it up with the sponge, and I felt like it looked like I was wearing foundation. And I did set it down and put makeup on top, and I do think it looks a little better after I did that. And this shade in neutral, it does lean more yellow. But like I said, once I put concealer on and all that, it all worked out. I want to say I remember them like reformulating this product because it was showing up in TJ Maxx and Marshalls at a discounted price, because I remember the reviews of this weren't that great. And so I'm wondering if that's why this went into an Ipsy box to get rid of old stock, because they changed the formula. Just my assumptions, but I think that's what happened. The second product in the box that they chose for me is the Dominique Cosmetics, the Essentials palette, which retails for $49. And pretty much it's supposed to be like a day to night palette. And I love the packaging. It has that pink plastic packaging, really pretty. And it says beauty inside and out on the mirror. And here is the color story. I love it. But there's a few things I would critique. Is I wish it had a deeper matte brown shade to deepen out the outer corner. Like, it does have a black, but my personal preference would be a deep brown. And the shimmers are gorgeous, but they don't pick up well with a brush. They're definitely work better with your fingers, and they are a little thinner. Some of the shimmers are thinner, but they are very pretty, and I do think you'll get really nice everyday wearable looks with this palette. So the third product is from Give Beauty, GWEN Stefani's brand, which is also sold in Sephora, but I do see a lot of her products show up in TJ Maxx and like Marshalls. And this is the Line It Up Clean 24-Hour Gel Pencil Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Bath Water. Kind of cool name. Retails for $20. So here is the pencil, and it has the shade on the bottom, which I know a lot of people enjoy when it has that. Let me try to find a clean space. Here is the color. I do think the color is really pretty. It's like a shiny blue. I'll let it dry for a second. I do feel like this would be really pretty in the waterline, especially like in the summertime. And a lot of my blue like eye pencils are so old, so it's nice to get like a refresher. It did say that this pen, like you can smudge it and like work with it, but once it sets down, it won't budge. So I'll let that one sit for a second before I try, smudging it, and we'll move on to the next product, which is the fourth product, which is also from Give Beauty. It is the Extra Sauce Long Wear Vinyl Liquid Lipstick in the shade Original Recipe, which retails for $24. I'm wearing it right now. So this is supposed to be Gwen Stefani's iconic red lip color. And here's the packaging. It claims to be transfer proof and soft and flexible on the lips, so it's not going to be like that matte, flat lip. And to use it, you're supposed to shake it to activate, and then you apply to clean, dry lips and let fully dry for 60 seconds. And that's what I did. And it is transfer proof, but it still feels sticky and it still feels wet. It's very interesting. It's definitely very shiny. And I do think this would be like, if you wanted to wear a red lip, this would be a really great formula to wear. This is almost like a pink red. Like it has like a pink undertone to it. Now the fifth product in the box, I believe I chose this, is from Ren Clean Skincare. This is the Glycolactic Radiance Renewal Mask, which retails for $58. This is supposed to smooth texture, reduce appearance of fine lines, pores, and dark spots. And I have tried this brand before, and I've always enjoyed all their products. So you basically like cleanse your skin. You put a generous layer on your face. You let sit for 10 minutes and then rinse off. And it's supposed to help remove dead skin cells, make your skin feel soft. I really like products like this, and I did use it today, but I didn't have it on very long, but my skin does feel really soft. Now the sixth product, which I chose, which I love that they've been including perfumes in their boxes. I'm not really sure how to say this name of this brand. Maison Louis Marie. I apologize if I'm saying it wrong. This is the number 13 Nouvelle Vague, I don't know, perfume oil, which retails for $65. So this is definitely like a high-end luxury, I think it's niche, I'm not sure, brand. And this has top notes of Nougat, I don't know, coconut waters, lemon. The mid is Tuscan fig, tonka, agave. Base is vetiver, amber, and santal. So I love that they have the notes right on the box. And the description of this perfume oil is it's like an Italian island of Capri. It's citrus, sheer florals, and coconut with Tuscan fig and agave. I find it to be a fresh and clean fragrance. Here's a little tiny bottle, $65. It's cute though. It kind of reminds me of like Replicas Under the Lemon Tree. Like you definitely get that lemon. Maybe this is a little stronger than the Replica. It's like a green lemon, fresh. There's some sweetness to it, but a little bit of bitterness as well. And I could pick out like the florals and the coconut. I do think the packaging is really nice. And I believe this is my sixth item in the box. It is from Tarte, the Double Take Eyeliner in brown. This retails for $26. It's a dual-ended liner with the liquid and the pencil. I do have this in like a black one, and then I also have it with like a brightener shade and a liner. And I chose this because I don't have a brown liner right now. And I love using brown liners from like liquid liners. And here's a swatch. This is definitely a wet, juicy formula, so it'll probably last me a long time. And I am wearing it, and I'm wearing the pencil in my waterline, and I thought it was pretty, it wasn't that hard to use. I did find it wasn't as like, the brush wasn't as flexible as like my color key from Amazon that I get, but it does what I want it to do. I just love brown liner because I find it, like I said, everyday wearable, a little softer, less harsh. And then my last product in the box, which I believe is the seventh product, is a brush set that I chose. I always choose brush sets. I don't know. I use so many brushes, but I love getting them. This is from Love Craft Beauty. It's a 7-piece brush set, which retails for $40. So I did use this, and I actually filmed right before this video trying all these products. So that will be up on the 10th. So if you want to see all these products in action, definitely, you know, stay tuned for that video. But here is the brushes. I didn't use all of them, but I thought they were okay. I do think these, I don't know, they don't feel like a $40 brush set. I'm not saying they're bad, and they don't feel like super cheap, but they definitely don't feel expensive either. But I'm not mad at them. I'll definitely use them. I think they're fine. And that's everything that was in my icon box. And the total value of all the products is $331. And overall, I think it was a really good box. I am extremely happy with this icon box, which honestly, the icon boxes are usually pretty good. And then when you do your reviews on Ipsy's website, you do get points. Don't forget to check like your points to redeem them, because they do expire fairly quickly, I feel like. And the products do sell out pretty quickly too. So you just kind of have to go on there every so often and check. But I did want to use up some of my points before they expire, and I chose the Wishful. This is Huda Beauty skincare line. This is the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. On her website, the mini is $21. So I'm not sure if this is her mini or if the mini is a little bigger. I don't know. But it's supposed to give you a healthy glow and buff away dead skin cells. And basically, how I used it was I washed my face. After I washed and rinsed, I went in with this product, buffed it into the skin and rinsed off. My skin felt so soft. It kind of has like a grainy feeling. It's almost like those products that make you feel like your dead skin is coming off. Like the more you buff, the more graininess you feel. Like it almost feels like dead skin. I don't think that's actually what it is, but it makes you feel like that. So yeah, so far so good with this product. But what do you guys think of this box? If you get Ipsy Icon box, was your box everything you wanted it to be? I would love to know what you got, or if you got anything the same as me. And yeah, stay tuned to the next video of me trying on all the makeup products, and we'll see you guys later. All right, bye.